This is my science project question. What is the amount of rocket energy that will propel me on my skateboard?
What is the amount of rocket energy that will propel me on my skateboard?
Ain't no time for the dilly-dally pally. Throw a match in the gasoline alley. Blew up mad spots. Kids was jealous for the never stop, stops. Just lick up on my deals. Not styles we make, never fake. Broke breaks in every crate. Old freestyles and dirty beat over tapes. Notify that the artifacts never slack while cruisers on stage whack. We just played the back. Now the flip, tip a ripper, split you with the mixture. On cruise, so never pay dues. Watch it before I get ya. Cause nowadays it's the ways of the underground. But so come on with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. Come on with the come on, get down with the get down. You know the stacks of not some niggas who heard of me. The half on the artifacts in Jersey. Cause brothers be bugging, not giving love to another. Cause we be shining brighter than shooting me prison. Nobody listens to you dissing. Cause yo, my hitting as a lyricist, I'm hitting the high note. So why don't I smile when I take pictures? Cause now that I rock, I got money on my jock. I just wanna do my dance with fams and slamming to some tightness. But fighters and backstabbing rappers don't even like us. But props do.
Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going.
The track's rough enough to prove a point that the magazines we were seeing. Now pop the tape, bring a deck. I got the heavy ammunition, cause some flexi with
This
the
measuring tape only allows us to go 16 feet at a time.
Bow down on your knees, yo. We ain't got the same lane, ordinary plain game. Put the shame in the crew who wants to feel the flame. So please submission to the rap recognition. My right hand is itching from I'm scripting. So pass the baton to the next runner up tame. I'll give a pound, so
After 2 measurements, we have approximately 32 feet.
but since our demo tracks had gaps, some said my fat raps was half-assed. Watching others rocking clock, we shocked them like a robot with our props. So now the naughty head or not show. My pockets are lumpy chump, my drunk style is chunky. Dump my disc in crisp, the funk and funk like Humpty Hump. Cause I'm coming from the
Conclusion is that the rocket boat only propelled me approximately 56 and a half feet. Conclusion is that the rocket board only propelled me approximately 56 and a half feet. During my experiment, one rocket did not ignite. This measuring tape only allows us to go 16 feet.
All ready? You ready? Let's see what we're doing here. You count down. You got the cable. You're gonna click on that switch right there.